Hey guys, and welcome to my first ever video. So what you're gonna see here is me doing a little prep, should I say, for my first attempt to cycle around London using this very cool book that I was gifted to by somebody that I know because I recently started cycling. So just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, bike is ready. Beautiful day. All ready to go? Let's head out. As you can see, it was a beautiful day. Big Ben there, looking gorgeous. Even looking over the Thames, it was just such a gorgeous day. It was a bit nippy, so I found that I did have to keep my jacket on for a bit, but once I got into the sun, I found that I could be able to take it off and just enjoy the sun. It was quite quiet because I think it was about 9 o'clock when I left, and it was great. Well, I hope you enjoy this little cycle along the South Bank, and hopefully you join me again on my next cycle video or adventure or wherever it is I'll find myself. Until then, take care. Bye.